Hey there, fellow creators and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a super exciting development in the world of AI and coding. Get ready to be blown away by the new full-stack vibe coding experience in Google AI Studio. It's like having your very own AI assistant, but for building real-life apps. Imagine being able to turn your creative prompts into fully functional, modern web applications without leaving the comfort of Google AI Studio. That's right, folks. With the power of the Antigravity coding agent and Firebase backend integrations, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about what makes this upgrade truly mind-blowing. First off, say goodbye to boring, single-player games. With the new multiplayer feature, you can create real-time, collaborative experiences that connect users instantly. It's like bringing your favorite online games to life, but with a twist of AI magic. But wait, there's more. The agent is now smarter than ever, detecting when your app needs a database or login. With a simple approval, it sets up cloud Firestore and Firebase Authentication, ensuring your apps are secure and ready for prime time. And here's where it gets really interesting. The agent has become a master of modern web tools. Need smooth animations or professional icons? It automatically figures out the best solution, like installing Framer Motion or Shadcn, to make your vision a reality. It's like having a personal designer and developer rolled into one. But what about connecting to real-world services? Well, that's where the new Secrets Manager comes in. You can bring your own API credentials and integrate services like databases, payment processors, or even Google Maps. The agent detects when a key is needed and stores it safely, ensuring your app is production-ready. One of the coolest features, in my opinion, is the ability to pick up where you left off. No more losing progress or starting from scratch. The app remembers your work across devices and sessions, so you can continue building whenever inspiration strikes. And let's not forget about the agent's enhanced understanding of your project. It maintains a deeper knowledge of your entire project structure and chat history, allowing for faster iterations and more precise multi-step code edits. It's like having an AI partner who knows exactly what you're thinking and can help you build complex apps with simpler prompts. With support for Next.js, React, and Angular, the sky's the limit for the types of apps you can create. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this new experience in Google AI Studio is a game changer. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Google AI Studio and try out the new vibe coding experience. Build real-time multiplayer games, collaborative workspaces, and more. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for innovation is truly exciting. Personally, I can't wait to see what creative minds like yours will come up with. The future of app development is here, and it's powered by AI. Let's embrace it and create something extraordinary. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and stay curious.